The Emerald Radiance is one of the latest ships to join the Emerald Waterways fleet and built specifically for exploring Portugal's Douro region. As you cruise through some of Europe's most beautiful vineyards and wine-producing villages, the River Douro evocatively stretches through beautiful backdrops on either bank. The Emerald Radiance is our most intimate ship to date, with a capacity of just 112 guests, but still has all the key amenities and features Emerald Waterways ships are known for. From the generously proportioned suites and staterooms to the contemporary chic Horizon Bar and Lounge, no aspect of the ship has been compromised by its moderate size. Amongst the unique additions featured aboard the Emerald Radiance are the Riverview suites. Located at the rear of the ship on the horizon deck and boasting floor-to-ceiling windows encasing our innovative balcony, the two Riverview suites offer amazing, unspoiled panoramic vistas of the river as it flows on by. Purpose-built for Portugal's warm climate, the comprehensive sun deck with its open-air aspect aboard the Emerald Radiance provides ample opportunity to sample the sun and gentle river breezes under the beautiful Iberian sky.